Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective. Hey Katie.
Hey, our lines glow.
We've been pre-gaming, clearly.
We've been very excited about this upcoming video.
We are. We're so excited. We're doing another BTS video for you guys. We've had so much great response.
Yes, you guys asked for it, so.
And you blew it up. That video has had over 100,000 views at this point. Today, it just keeps growing. We've had so many new subscriptions. In fact, if you're watching just right now, click on that little subscribe button, click on the thumbs up button.
That's right.
And share it with your friends.
And
all
let us
the
know
good things.
the other videos that you want us to watch.
Yeah, because what happened was, we started doing some new videos like the Fourth Impact Girls.
Yes.
And then we did BTS and just overwhelmed with comments.
Yeah,
and that was so fun for us.
It really was.
And we actually read them and we are listening. So we're going to do another BTS. Let's get into it. You guys know this group. They've taken the world by storm.
Right.
We're going to do a tiny desk. We got some.
That's what you guys asked for.
We got
so we're really excited to see this one.
Yeah, let's hear them live and see what happens. Here we go.
Look at him in the orange. This is jamming.
I love it. I want to hire their stylist.
Orange is up and feeling it.
Sound incredible.
Yes.
Such a fun song. Yeah, okay, that guy.
I love his tone.
Yeah, that's so
It's very
sweet.
poppy. It's very poppy.
Very.
Right in that edge pop realm of tone.
Yeah.
And what's so fun with all of these, I mean, they just know their parts so well. They're genius when it comes to and they're so tight, the group that they are. So it's fun going back and forth, like, wait, they're all singing here?
Well, totally. And I mean, it's good to point out there too. They're so tight because they spend so much time together. They rehearse like crazy. I mean, I know you probably say this too. I mean, growing up singing, like there's so many times when I've just like dialed it in because I know I could do it. They don't dial it in, guys.
No,
this is
top
level, top notch because they live and breathe this stuff. It's so good. Man, they're having so much fun.
Yeah, good chemistry. Oh.
Yeah. Love that.
His bookends are up.
One by one. Here we go. Oh, he's got some rasp.
He's got some grit.
That's good.
Oh, denim.
All right.
Okay.
That was
all
good too.
of you singers need to know, and I keep jumping in when it comes to some technique because they're incredible with their harmonies, of course, and just as a group, but their tones are so precise because they're so tight in their edge coordination. Yeah. And that's what makes them so relevant in being so poppy. And being so smooth in their transitions vocally, but holy cow.
So good, but they're also so individual.
Right, 100%.
What's cool about BTS is there's a similarity to the fiber of their tones and their vocals, but yet they're so individual. That's really cool. That's not by chance. I mean, that was definitely worked into the core of the group, but how they can still just stand out and be individual is so good.
1,000%.
And this is live, you guys. They sound awesome.
So good.
Anytime a group or an artist can sing live, you know something good is happening, you know? Because there's a lot of people out there that can't. They just can't. And it's way too easy to go to a show now and you have dubbed in vocals.
Yep.
And oftentimes there may be like a high energy show and
so
they're
much
dancing or
reverb
something.
on the mic, or they're not singing at all.
Yeah, but this is good stuff.
They feed off each other so much.
Do. Also, just a brilliant pop song.
Yeah.
Writing something repetitive like that works.
Denim is going for it. Oh. Not a lot.
Yeah, they're just having fun.
They are. Oh, everyone.
Come on. Yeah, that little key change. Also, to point out too, it just went in my head. This has a little throwback to, like, you know, groups of the 50s and 60s who really use that.
Literally, I was just thinking the same
lyrical,
thing.
thinner tone.
Yes,
a lot of head voice vocal stuff. Finding its way back into pop music. It's really cool.
1,000%, and it makes it so easy to listen to.
Yeah,
it sits really, like, the resonance of that sits on our ears really well.
100%. They're not the Beach Boys at all, but there's some similarities to what they do. Right?
Totally.
It's cool.
Their confidence, ladies, I will say it for you, it's sexy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
So good. Okay, I am just going to throw it out there, and please back me up here. BTS, if you ever need a background dancer.
Oh, for sure.
You know, just put a 7th person in the background. I'll be your girl.
You should do that.
I would be my life would be complete. No, that was so good. You guys, thank you for recommending a Tiny Desk live performance, because we see so much artistry in these performances that are live and more vulnerable, and they were just spot on.
Spot on. So good. We're going to finish watching the rest of this. We're going to have a little more wine. But until next time,
subscribe,
like it all,
share it. Oh.
And stay tuned for our next video.
Next video.
Until then, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Woo! Hey everyone, I'm Katie Talbot with Vocal Lab Collective, and I'm really excited to share with you the changes that I made to my weekly warm-up. Not only are you going to get a warm-up once a week, but you're also going to get a chance to go one-on-one with me at the end of our warm-up. I'm also throwing in a 10-minute vocal therapy session every single week and a once-a-month Q&A with me to answer all of your vocal questions. I'm really excited to take your voice to the next level, so swipe up, subscribe, and I can't wait to work with you.